How's it going, everyone? Greg Hitchko here. It is finally time to start tearing into all the 250 Two Strokes that I have. And first up on the chopping block is going to be the YZ250 behind me. So I've already broken this YZ250 down in the previous video, how much it costs. And if you guys haven't checked that out, head over to my page and go watch that video now, because it kind of goes into a deeper dive of what I spent on the YZ250. So yeah, since you guys have already seen that, no more BS. I'm going to get into it and start getting my hands dirty. Let's go. How about we take a look at this brake cable here? It literally looks like a dog has been gnawing on it, so definitely gonna need a new one of these bad boys. All right guys, time to get rid of this carburetor. Gonna be throwing a nice fresh Electron on it, so peace to the normal carb. Anybody need a carburetor? Let me know. Guys, seriously, if you don't have one of these DeWalt impact guns, they make your life so much easier and speed things up so much better. You just saw how fast I blipped off that freaking brake caliper, off in seconds. I've got a link in my bio below to this exact DeWalt impact gun, so click that link and get yourself one today. Guys, I'm thoroughly confused why this handlebar mount will not come out of this top triple clamp. It's really effing annoying. Got my foot on this bad boy. Oh my God. That thing is not coming off. Let me put some more leverage on this bad boy. Like that. Oh yeah. Longer lever arm works great every time, baby. Can we get this thing off, please? Thank you. Oh, all right, let's take a look at the steering stabilizer. We gotta get that bolt off. And then guys, this is where it looks like it's drilled into the frame, which I'm not thrilled about, but let's go ahead and get this bad boy off. Jeez. It's like taking the collar off a dog or something. There are the two holes that are drilled right into the frame. I'm gonna have to figure out some way to get those patched up. If you guys have any ideas, leave a comment below, because I can't be having holes in the frame like this, so give me some ideas, guys. Side note on this radiator, nice and straight, nothing wrong with it. Fins are not bent or anything, so I'll take it. All right, I gotta say, these are probably the most outrageous radiator guards I've ever seen, because how the heck are you supposed to get into that bolt right there? I wanna know. Good question, but here we are. Good thing I have the T-handle. All right guys, always a good idea to take pictures of the wiring before you go ahead and take it off. Also, don't snip the wiring, just snip the zip ties. All right guys, front end is all apart. Time to tackle the rear. right, guys, here she is. Holy crap. Little do I know, I have my work cut out for me with this bad boy, so kind of zooming into the frame a little bit. Definitely gonna need some little elbow grease here on this frame. I gotta do something about these wheels. That's an 18-inch rear wheel, so I'm gonna swap it out for a 19, but we're gonna get some new rubber on that. Try to figure out what's going on with these holes in the frame, get them patched up. But scooting over, we have a box of parts that I'm really not gonna use. I mean, I'm gonna use a seat, FMF pipe. I'm gonna sell that bad boy. So if anybody wants an FMF factory fatty pipe, that thing is in mint condition, let me know. There's also the silencer in there as well. Gonna get all new plastics, not throwing those hand guards back on. All right, guys, but here's the table of parts. The swing arm here looks like the dirt's been on there for about a year. Got to clean up that linkage. Basically, just clean everything up, and I really can't wait to see this bad boy go back together now that it's completely torn apart. That was a big first step, so now this is when the work really starts to happen. So got to use some of my elbow grease. Prime MX pads will help clean up this swing arm, so if you guys are interested in those, link in the bio below. But this is gonna be a fun time. All right, guys, that is a wrap on the disassembly of the 2005 YZ250. As you see, I got my work cut out for me. It's time for me to get my hands dirty even more, get everything cleaned up and looking brand new, and that includes the motor as well. As you guys saw, I didn't get into any of the motor because it's already torn apart. So I'm gonna go through all the motor parts and get those looking fresh and brand new as well, so I can get a video out to you guys of the assembly of the YZ250 motor. If you guys are new to the channel and haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and go follow me on Instagram, because those are where I'm gonna have the most up-to-date behind the scenes look on the bike. But for now, I'm excited to dive deeper into this YZ250, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.